Today's medical-centric topic is Healthy Soul Food Plate: How to Enjoy Comfort Without Compromise. Soul food is rich in tradition, flavor, and history, but it's often known for being heavy on fried foods, salt, and rich ingredients. The good news? You can enjoy all the comfort and connection of soul food while keeping it nutritious. Here's how to build a healthy soul food plate that celebrates flavor and culture while supporting your well-being. Step 1. Focus on your base, the vegetables. Traditional soul food has deep roots in vegetable dishes. Collard greens, turnip greens, and mustard greens. These are loaded with vitamins A, C, and K plus fiber. Keep them healthy by sautéing with olive oil instead of heavy lard and going easy on salt, or seasoning them with herbs, garlic, and vinegar for flavor. Cabbage, okra, and green beans. Steam or lightly stir-fry rather than boil for hours, which can reduce nutrients. Aim for at least half your plate to be colorful vegetables. 2. Pick smart carbs. Soul food favorites like cornbread, rice, and sweet potatoes can be part of a healthy meal. Swap white rice for brown rice or quinoa for more fiber. Roast or bake sweet potatoes instead of adding lots of butter or brown sugar. These are naturally sweet and nutritious. Choose whole grain cornbread where possible, or serve smaller portions. Step 3. Choose lean protein. Fried chicken is a soul food classic, but you can lighten it up. Oven fry or air fry chicken using whole grain breading for crunch without deep frying. Choose baked fish, grilled turkey wings, or plant-based proteins like black-eyed peas for variety. Limit processed meats like fatty sausages or heavily salted pork cuts. Step 4. Rethink seasoning. Soul food is all about bold flavor. You don't need tons of salt or heavy fats. Use herbs, spices, vinegar, and citrus juices for flavor. Smoked paprika, cayenne, thyme, rosemary, and garlic can add depth without excess sodium. Step 5. Add healthy sides. Skip sugary beverages and opt for water with lemon or unsweetened iced tea. Serve fruit-based desserts with minimal added sugar, like baked apples or peaches. Bottom line, you don't have to give up soul food to eat healthy. With smart swaps, lean proteins, lots of veggies, whole grains, and mindful seasoning, you can create a soul food plate that's both nourishing and full of flavor. It's about honoring tradition while caring for your health, so you can keep enjoying these beloved dishes for generations to come.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.